Hello, I'm Tom Bailey, English teacher at Northside High School. I'm going to give a brief tutorial about how to use Kami, and specifically I'm going to focus on the text-to-speech functions of this. Kami can only use text-to-speech if the program has successfully detected the language and the text that's inside of the document. Sometimes if you upload images of things that have text in it, you'll have to run what is known as the OCR. And when you do so, it'll do its best to detect the language and the words that are actually there. But if it doesn't, if it's not able to do so, you will not have the text-to-speech function working that correctly. Nonetheless, in the document that I have right here, text-to-speech is actually working. And if I click on text-to-speech to activate it, and then I select the text, what'll happen is, and hopefully you can hear the audio when I do this, if I select the text and I lay off, it should actually read that section of text out loud. So let's see how it goes. And as you can see, it worked. What you can do too is if you wanted to have it read the entire page, it would select that. You could select the text and hit the loop button, and it'll keep repeating it until you get tired of it. You can also stop the reading while it's happening. I'll actually select a bit here. I hit stop, and that's how that works. The other thing that you can do is you can change the voice. I have it set as Microsoft David, but they have like they have English, like if it's Google Deutsch, it actually just has like a German accent. It still reads it in English, so it's kind of goofy. Um, but I think that's kind of fun to listen to if you want to hear about it. Let's see what it says. Like Julius Caesar leadership. Yeah, it sounds like a German person speaking English. But in either case, that will allow you to have text read aloud. If you have students with reading comprehension, and having text read aloud is an accommodation that you can do with them. This Kami app is really awesome at doing that. You can also change the speed at which it's read. I'm going to go ahead and select Julius Caesar leadership trait flowchart. All right, I'm going to change the speed and make it go a little bit faster. Let's see what happens there. So here we go, moving it up. Yep, it went a bit faster there. So in either case, that's the method through which you can use the text-to-speech part of Kami. And it's a very powerful tool, especially have students who need audio support, or the diction is very large. And between the dictionary function and text-to-speech, it's a great way to differentiate and give support to students who struggle with reading comprehension. Thank you.